Well, it's the third day it's actually snowing. Well, snowing a little bit more than it was the past other 2 days. So as you can tell, there's some snow. Still a lot of snow coming. As you can tell, I'm not even wearing a freaking coat, so, well, I don't care. I don't know, the cold's not even bothering me. There's no wind, so, yeah. But, yeah, it's definitely too much snowing. It's basically snowing for today. This is gonna probably snow, like, sometime next week and all that, so, yeah. But, yeah, snow's definitely coming down. Hey guys, we're gonna get the snow shower going on. There's gonna be a lot of snow coming. Probably around 30 degrees or something, so not wearing a coat, actually more like a hoodie, but I don't care. It's not really bothering me, even though it's like maybe 30 something degrees. I don't know. Oh, some parts are not even freezing, so yeah. But I would show you guys, it's pretty much been snowing here for the past maybe an hour or two, so yeah, it's pretty much coming down. So it's all day of it, but more like it's the fourth day that's actually snowing big time, so yeah. So pretty much it right now.